Hello guys, today I'll show you how to stabilize a video in Sony Vegas Pro 18. So this is my video, so I drag it in Sony Vegas. So the video is not stable. Let's see. So how to stable it? Just click on it and click on Video FX, and here utility. Scroll down a little bit. This is video stabilization. Drag on it on top of the video, and here user view, make sure it is professional. This is accurate, and this is transition and rotation, and analyze motion. Click on it. Just do waiting. Okay, now it's done. Just close this. Let's play it from beginning. You see, it changed. It changed. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.